Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue where it says can't use this content. Connect to the server to verify your license. So there's a couple of different ways that we can go ahead and fix this. The first way is simply by connecting to the internet and then verifying your licenses. So I'm currently not connected, and it looks like my internet is just kicking in right now. Maybe my friends list will load. So you want to go to network and then connect. So let's go to network right here, go to connections, and it looks like I'm connecting. Otherwise, go to settings and go to set up internet connection. And sometimes simply just forgetting the connection and then re-adding it will make it work, or you can scan for new ones to connect to. But it looks like everything should be working there. Now, once I'm connected, I want to go to users and accounts and scroll on down to where it says other, and then go to the right. And we want to go to this option, restore licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. So very simple. And then choose the game. So mine was Grand Theft Auto. I simply want to just go to restore. And it's going to take a little bit of time. So you can see it's going to take like 3 minutes, 100 seconds. So my internet's really, really slow at my location. Now another way that you can get around this is by going to console sharing and offline play. And then enable your PlayStation 5 for offline play. So if you don't have this enabled, you won't be able to play games without an internet connection. So you can only have one PlayStation 5 enabled at a time. So it looks like mine is enabling right now. No, it won't, because I have a PlayStation 5 and then a PS5 Pro. So I already have one enabled. Now I should be able to go back to Grand Theft Auto 5, and it should work now. And sometimes you actually get a little lock symbol next to the game. So I don't see anything right now, but it should work now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.